Imagine this. You're in your backyard, sipping coffee, enjoying some peace, when a small buzzing sound interrupts your quiet morning. You look up, and there it is, a drone hovering above. Is it delivering a package, or is it watching you? Let's uncover the truth about drones and privacy. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, are everywhere. They deliver packages, take stunning aerial photos, and even help in rescue missions. But as cool as they are, they've raised some serious questions about privacy. Are these flying gadgets innocent tools, or are they tiny spies in the sky? To understand the spying concerns, let's break down how drones work. Think of a drone like a flying smartphone. It has cameras, GPS, and even Wi-Fi capabilities. The cameras can record high-definition video, and some drones can even stream footage live to their operator. Here's the kicker. Just like your smartphone can be hacked, drones can be too. But we'll get to that in a moment. Now, why is everyone so worried? Because drones can go places humans can't. They can hover outside windows, fly over fences, and see things that were once hidden. There have even been reports of drones spying on people in their homes. In one infamous case in 2019, a drone was caught hovering outside someone's bedroom window. Creepy, right? But it's not just individuals. Drones have been used to spy on corporate offices and even government facilities. The implications are huge. Here's where things get tricky. In most countries, there are laws about where and how drones can fly. For example, in the US, it's illegal to fly drones over private property without permission. But enforcing these laws is a whole different ballgame. Imagine trying to catch a mosquito in a forest. That's what tracking illegal drones feels like. And let's be honest, not everyone follows the rules. So, what can you do if you suspect a drone is spying on you? First, stay calm. Sometimes a drone might just be passing by, but if it's hovering for a long time, it's worth investigating. You can use drone detection apps to track nearby UAVs, or even invest in anti-drone technology, like signal jammers. But be careful, tampering with drones can get you in legal trouble. And remember, you can always report suspicious drone activity to local authorities. It's their job to handle these situations, not yours. Drones are like any other technology. It's not about the tool itself, but how people use it. They have amazing potential to help society, but they also pose real risks if used irresponsibly. So next time you hear that buzzing sound, don't panic, but do stay informed. What do you think? Are drones a revolutionary tool or a privacy nightmare? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you've ever had a creepy encounter with a drone, we want to hear about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. See you next time.